Hi everyone, I'm Doug Painter, Cordis Product Manager here at Clippard. Today I want to discuss the pressure sensor ranges that we have available for the Cordis CPC series electronic pressure regulators. The CPC series controllers utilize our own manufactured EVP and DVP proportional valves. This allows us to control pressure very smoothly and proportionally in both the filling and relieving directions. With our unique control specifications, our proportional valves, our internal proportional solenoid valves, and a wide variety of pressure sensors to work with, we can now provide truly high resolution pressure regulation and maintain a good resolution of less than or equal to 5 millivolts. Because of our unique microcontroller and proportional valve design, we are now able to maintain that high resolution pressure regulation in both static and dynamic conditions. This means I don't need a bleed orifice. For the Cordis, that means you can run different types of inert gases through this product and not have to worry about it bleeding expensive gases out to atmosphere. Our command capabilities are 0 to 10 volts, 4 to 20 milliamps, and 3.3 volt serial. 3.3 volt serial is available on all Cordis product. This allows you the ability to talk to and manipulate the onboard microcontroller. Let's say you want to manipulate the proportional or integral settings, or you want to get more in depth and actually change code. With a wide variety of pressure sensors to choose from, you can now configure your command and output to be as specific as possible in your application requirements. 23 pressure sensors will allow us to give you any type of calibration within full vacuum to 150 psi. Whether it's gauge, absolute, bar, millibar, inches of water column, inches of mercury, millimeters of mercury, torr, etc., and so on. Now the Cordis proportional regulator has the unique ability to truly hone in on with high resolution pressure regulation to give you phenomenal control, linearity, accuracy, and repeatability for your application success. There is a 24th remote sense option. This allows for the customer to utilize an external source of feedback. For example, customers already has a pressure sensor that they've been working with and they want to run that back as the primary to the Cordis unit. Or they would rather interface with a higher resolution transducer. This provides a lot more flexibility for the customer in their application. However, you are going to need to contact the Cordis team to discuss this option a little bit further. I'm Doug Painter, Cordis Product Manager here at Clippard. Thank you very much for your time.